What's the meaning of Argentina? Argentina. Argentina.
Argentina. Argentina. Argentina is the name of a country located in South America. The word Argentina comes from the Latin word argentum, which means silver. This is because early Spanish explorers believed the region to be rich in silver deposits. However, contrary to their expectations, there were no significant silver mines found in Argentina. Today, Argentina is known for its diverse landscapes, including the Andes Mountains and the Pampas grasslands, as well as its culture, cuisine, and famous contributions to world sports, such as football, soccer, and polo.